Friends, this is your host Saurabh from TechNuture. Today I'm going to give you a review on Spice Dream Uno. It is Android One supported device. Before open this box, I'm going to tell you what has written behind this box. Behind this box, it has written here like operating system. It is KitKat, IPS display, 11.43 cm screen, quad core 1.3 GHz processor, connectivity Wi-Fi, HSPA plus Bluetooth, dual SIM, 3G plus 3G means ki both the SIM is supporting 3G. Camera 5.0 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, memory 4 GB ROM plus 1 GB RAM, battery 1700 mAh lithium polymer. Now guys, I'm going to open this box and showing you what inside this box. Opening this box, this is a smartphone, a Spice Dream Uno. Now what inside this? This is headphone. It is charging cord. It is charging adapter. Warranty card. And here list of authorized service center. Nice. And it is a user manual. And what inside it? And it is a screen guard. So friend, this is the all of the inside the box, all of the item inside the box. Take a look here. Yeah, okay. Now before telling you about before open this device, I'm telling you about the feature of the device. Screen size of this device is 4.5 inch. Storage is 4 GB, and you can expand it up to 32 GB. It supports Android One operating system. I earlier told that it is dual SIM smartphone, and both the SIM slot supports 3G, and RAM is 1 GB. And for the connectivity front, I already told that it supports 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Back camera of the device is 5 megapixel with flash, and front camera is 2 megapixel, and processor is 1.3 quad core. And top of this smartphone, here you can see it is 3.5 audio jack. Here you can insert headphone for listen music and FM. Bottom of the device, here you can see here you can insert your charging cord for charge the device, or sync your data with your smartphone data with the laptop, so you can send and receive your data from laptop to this device, and this device to laptop. Okay, back here I already told that it is 5 megapixel camera with flash, and here it is 2 megapixel camera. Now I'm removing it. Okay, yeah, here a 2 megapixel camera. Yeah, right side of this device, here it is the volume rocker key. Here by this key you can increase and decrease the volume, and by this button you can on and off this device, and also you can lock and unlock the device. This key is known as the POW key. Back side of this device, this is the speaker of the device. You guys can see here that it is displaying here Android One Spice logo, and the back side of this device is too good. You can hold it like this, and this is not slipping. And now guys, I'm opening the back cover of this device and showing you what inside this back cover. Yeah, so guys, this is the battery. I earlier told that the 1700 mAh battery inside this phone. So this is battery. These are the two SIM slot, both both SIM slots suppose 3G, and this is the here you can insert your micro SD. Friends, I am reassembling it and opening the device and showing you what inside this device, what is the setting, what are the camera settings, and what are the preloaded apps here. Now I'm just opening here. Yeah, guys, you can see here the logo of Spice here. Yeah, best part of the device is the edges are curved. You can hold it like it, and whenever you are playing any racing game or any game, so edges will not edges will not troubling you more. Here Android comes, and this is the home screen of the device. First I'm just unlocking it and show you what inside setting area. Yeah, okay friends, this is the setting area. So first we will go about phone area. Here on the top you can see that the system update, but before we will see Android version in the device is 4.4.4, and you can also update it by using by clicking on system updates. Friends, now we will see what inside the setting area. Here you can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, SIM card, sound, display, storage, battery, apps, location, security, language and input, backup and reset, add account, date and time, accessibility, printing, everything here. Oh, okay friends, and what inside more, here you can see that airplane mode, default SMS app, VPN, mobile network, everything is here. Friends, now we will check what are the preloaded apps in the device. Some preloaded apps in the device are Facebook, Flipkart ebook, FM radio, Gmail is here also, and photos, news and weather, Play Store, YouTube, translator, and Spice Cloud is here. And one more thing I want to show you, it is the Google folder. Here you can see that all of the Google's app is here, like Gmail, Google Photos, Maps, Google Drive, YouTube, Play Games, Play Music, Keep, everything is here. Friends, now we will check in the camera area. Yeah friends, this is the camera. You can see the image of clarity of the camera. Clarity of the camera is too good. I will show some clicked image of some images which I clicked earlier, and show you the clarity of those images. Now for before showing all of the things, I will show you about the setting in the camera. Yeah, you can see here some settings like the photosphere, panorama, lens blur, camera, video. And in the setting area, here you can see resolution, quality, save location, advanced, help and feedback. We will click on resolution and quality. Yeah, friends, you can see here the first it is written here camera. We will see that the back camera photo. Yeah, these are the some settings here, like 5 megapixel, 1 megapixel, 4.9 megapixel, like. And for the back camera video, here HD 1080p, HD 720p, and HD 480. And if you will talk about the front camera photo, here you can see 2.4 megapixel, 0.9 megapixel, like. Okay, now you can see the panorama, resolution, lens blur, everything here. Now friends, as I earlier told you that I will show you some images which I earlier clicked. We will go photos. Yeah friends, this is the Buddha, and we clicked it earlier. Yeah, you can see the clarity of the image. Yeah, nice. Yeah, you can see the clarity of the images here. Yeah, So friend, this is my review for the Spice Dream Uno device. This device it is. And now I am ending up my review. So friends, please subscribe my channel. It is Technutor, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friend on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you want. And also don't forget to like this video. Sharanara, bye.